Hello everyone and welcome to Mon-Ara's channel. So today's video is about a popular African drink made from dried hibiscus leaves, also known as Zobo from Nigeria, Folere from Cameroon, and that's just a few names. Now the ingredients for this drink will be in the description box below, and then let's just get to it. So you're gonna have to peel one pineapple and make sure you wash the skin of the pineapple. Do not throw it away. Now you're going to measure 3 cups of dried hibiscus leaves. You can get this hibiscus leaves from any store of your choice, mostly African stores if you're in the US, or you want to get it from Amazon, but it's very popular in African communities. So for this recipe I will be using about 1 gallon of water, which is equivalent to 128 ounces of water, or if you're measuring in quarts, that's 4 quarts, or my measuring cup is about 32 ounces, so I just used 4 parts of the 32 ounces, so which makes about a gallon of water. I hope I'm not confusing you there, guys. So just measure about 1 gallon of water, and in no particular order you add your water. You want to add your hibiscus into it, and then obviously you also add your pineapple peels, which already has been washed. Now while I am showing you how to do that in the video, I would like to talk about some of the benefits of drinking hibiscus juice. Now it's low in calories and it's also caffeine free, which is very good for you. It does have anti-cancer properties, and it's also rich in ascorbic acid. For ladies, it helps to relieve you from menstrual pain, and it's also very good in helping your digestive system. So if you had too much to eat, or you feel you need to go to the restroom, you haven't been there in a couple of days, trust me, this drink is the drink for you. Now at this point you want to just turn on your stove and put it on medium heat for about 30 minutes until it gets to a boil. Now once it starts to boil, you will perceive a unique scent. I'll just call it a unique scent. So it's a unique scent you start to perceive, and from there you know your hibiscus is ready to go. So at this point I'm just showing you what it looks like about 30 minutes later, and there it is bubbling. You want to turn off your stove and then just let it cool to room temperature. From here you want to make sure to strain the liquid just to prevent any dried leaves or any hibiscus leaves or pineapple peels. And then you can also add any sweetener of your choice, sugar, honey, or maybe stevia also. And then that's it. You want to put this in a clean container. I do use a couple of containers, but this one is a pretty big container because I have about 1 gallon of juice, and you see how, oh my god, how red that is. Now you can add more water if you feel this is too concentrated for you, but for me this is perfect. This is a perfect recipe, and I like the color it comes out. I just like the way it looks. So from here it's pretty ready to go. You can totally do whatever you like when it comes to flavors, and I know you're gonna ask me if you can use pineapple juice, but I would rather you use the pineapple peels, as using the pineapple juice might make the drink ferment after a couple of days in the fridge. So from here you just want to store your drink in the fridge and then serve. Thank you for watching.